83 degrees. Asheville, mostly sunny. National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Catoosa County in northwestern Georgia, north central Murray County in northwestern Georgia, northeastern Whitfield County in northwestern Georgia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ringgold, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ringgold, Vardinal, Tunnel Hill, Cohutta, Beaverdale, Dunville, Sumac, Graysville, Red Clay State Park, Appleton, and Indian Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at Atlanta.